Abusia, me mo official pa. Me show so gboro nya ni ko ye. And the video no a little bit different kakra. This say na ka pese ye more videos ke post to sa kopim sen ka afi ne be end but afi na mangu sa ware a onko ano. You can't make all the decision for yourself. We planning now the move from boom so many things. The mebuza interview na ye cousin can na be last video can say interview of this year no. Ahwe na no be next year. And I catch 99 bars, but channel so have match na everybody within the week. Hopefully we are Wednesday, Thursday, more baby. Yeah, the next video now is more of addressing some little issues and explaining some things in beauty as here. First of all, my list. First of all, so what content I produce this year as compared to last 2017 and 2018 now, which is a difference kakra wom. What is here? We've produced more content. Just say, more interviews, more reactions. The new shows about I'm for any baby. I need you home. The daily wahala. Just say shows are no. I think say you guys, more money is successful. So I meet me account. So I thank you very, very much. Yeah, so I want to address some of the issues, some of the messages, no request. I'm for the buys. Minyata more responding now. First of all, I want to see interviews. Now I had too limited. Problem then is interviews na ye thing. But I want for bring now who say. So we study in year time and I'm here interviews back then. Now me drop just one video a week. Well, because I don't have a chance to get it to the interview no. Because interview no, you can see here now. You have to sit through the entire interview na nipa na ye no. Maybe one interview you can't get all the funny bits now here no. So you have to sit through about 3-4. Me guys am evangelist at their first interview no. Me share I think about 8 hours of the videos. Imagine sitting through 8 hours of evangelist, 8 hours of evangelist a day videos looking out. The same thing happened to Ebony Nipa Bebre. So it's very difficult to do that on a daily basis. And as one getting to the ending of 2019 now, you try and keep post video every single day. I thought that a challenge, but we still tried. We tried our best. What I say. So I to give you a proper interview, no, it will take about 3 days. Because my person will be just normal interview. I want you to be watching the fake interview now. You are watching it because it gives you a different dimension of Nipanan Kasa and the actual video now. Yeah, and what I say. And then more chance where teams say more videos no go viral. A trendy brand new easily. Hey! A trendy brand new easily. What I say? I don't know what we bring. But ni heading. Say yakasi a person daily videos nintino. I say a man I don't know ya more. And it's ya ain't me much regular to say first. So I think say as times goes on, you better try up a team kakra aka because I have videos in be taking longer, but I have more behind the camera. No. Most people don't know that. So that is one of the challenge in my interviews na channel. Because imagine me Maghreb react, me 99 bars, me daily wahala. Me yeah, kind of saying. If fake interviews, be can sana paimuka be can. For example, paimuka Libya episode now, I think say yeah. It take me 2 weeks for researching Kwane to put all the videos together. No, it take time man kasa to even get one episode out there. What I say. So I think why and then I got some kind of a trade-off visa. So it's either say we come back to the interview and drop less videos, and I say we snub the interviews for what I say, importance in free so then do more videos. I will entertain more guys for over the week. Yeah, so I think that is one of the concerns. And second, na interview no kran edru ba bia ma I say me so no ne kakra ne say me ni obi kura kasa na me hwe nipa ne kasa kire me no nya ne o kan na meti o kasa ne na me edit asem na o kan no be kaga m kwaso no what am na fere so full preach we so preach no what am Jesus that kind of you know after them it I say asem na o kan no me yi ha de kwhye ha ebetima ye funny just it's one I'm so I said, you know, a year did for me team, so I have to pause it. What I say, and I'm pausing the kakra. So that is the main reason. Interviews in much regularly. You know what I say. Yeah. So yeah, what the next one so? And now next year 2020. Hey, now me so dear na ma go pamba me. 2020 the saying. 2020, you be add a little bit of I think 2 or 3 more shows are. You be carry your shows near running on. And it be me a chance I may work on variety of videos and it be more money be ho ankasa. Next year for example, I think middle of next year, you be call Ghana, I could shoot to some kind of interesting episodes via. You be bro for free. I just say I think you will really love it because I am very passionate about that kind of stories. What I say. So you go back to Ghana, shoot a whole lot of videos for entire about 1 or 2 months. Now for the Asian producing on the YouTube, the Facebook channels and also to entertain and some will be an eye opener, some will be just dumb content, but who knows? You better try to interesting and fun for you guys to watch. And I think the third one's you can say 2020. You better try as much as possible. Say you better try say wiki be at least you post to crowd there then 5 videos. Just any 5 videos. What videos are? I really put a whole lot of work into it. I'm over bring chadam. So you better try say be post video every single day for the entire of by say Ghana the content will be limited kakra because we will be away doing the different thing for the channel. I think the content will be slowed down from July, August, maybe September. Now see pick up, but any dollars we will plan some content here and publish it and I schedule it to publish. Hey, bro, to publish a brand Ghana and be Ghana so we will shoot some videos a bit in here posting on channel and so. So I think that will really help. And now going forward now. What else? Next year, a political season. Channel will so be more of politics, but we will have to do politics kakra because it comes around 4 years. Next year, we end this year, MPP, we are kotoko player now. You have to chill. Obi any beef. We just have to talk about the stories during the political season next year. You know, there's a little bit of political shows be happening. I have to warn you guys before because I'm not putting me a 2 what I say. Or NDC, you can't DC one sembonia, no you lie, but politics. What can we say? A content here man for no party, so we can't just ignore it. What I say. Next one. So next one will be 2020. We are a lot of interesting videos and kasa. See about Paimuka. Yeah, episodes about guns and sanitation, Libya, Quantunin, Ekika. Now, much recently, we did a story about Ghana mortuary. We've done a story about Nam1 issue. We've done a whole lot of interesting stories, Ankasa. And I think Zamafu came to love the channel more based on that type of stories. And now we've also made a little bit of impact, Ankasa. We also helped a whole lot of people, artists and Nene Ekika. Artists, actors, and again, I think this way by, but I haven't gotten the time to, talk to you guys about this one. Time I save Mona Lisa life, no. Hey, I'm sorry. Time I a doctor for no, yeah, almost save Mona Lisa life, no. And I never that girl be a dujan fi send way the buy. Still now the girl no need the operation, or US. Measure that your home 1 episode I may explain it. Because I'm not for so I really thank Gabby for this. Now me my send them because it's a hassle in person. I am in person how for any other thing be but Gabby I swear damn cause I can't return on what you say. And I was sending so that is for the family. This is a remembrance and it really means a lot to some people. Yeah. So Gabby, thank you, and I thank everyone who supported Gabby and Mona Lisa during time I know Muhia Ghana for more. You're going say you want so many goals for 2020. Say starting Fibiana, we set goals for ourselves. Say this is the goals I see reaching for this this year. What I say 2020 as always no. Say we start BBT and also we BBT saying. Na so ni baby a wo vision no hu se ubeduru a ase wo ha ho What I say. So we try as much as possible see best set goals for our own selves. Near better try see a better riches self goal no. You started 2017 September no. The whole of say started September 2017. 2017 no. Subscribers for example on YouTube I think say 4,500. The following year at the end of the whole 2018 now it grew up to 67,000 I think subscribers. At the end of 2019 we will reach I think 250 something. What you say. So you see that the channel is progressing and it's based on the content now you produce. So money in your home and it to be stagnant. So you supporting, you patronizing the type of work that we do. No? It really means a lot when we make part of. So we will try as much as possible to always keep you guys entertained and informed. What you say? Yeah, I'm out for being so the request be but say Capito me man ko remission. Problem with Capito no say. Since year me German kwa. Why na be keep internet and so safe from Capito's hands? Wow, that is the main issue. And yes person me ka Capito na bibia te say nipa na ye na adwen so won sesa. E na ne braba queen Yakubu. Yeah. Mema multimedia for Yakubu edi wo do wo ha bia be. Just say adwen feeder quality sir odwen ho a won te ase. So oni akwakoye no. Abusu there are so many Yakubu ni Capito there. O de bia ya munchu su ba ko na emfa ni ko remission but ba ko de so oka. O de me pass. Amafo bi no empe say be bo Capito di wa channel we so. They think say we mention Capito too much but Adia bia woni ni nchiremu what you say but we are not going to explain everything today. So time next one you will know everything. Bi share man for na me ka kira man for say Capito mini ni phone number akora na man for so obua. I don't even have his number. I say and one question so I am for be brain so be say me reactions I am me charge am for reactions na. No. You charge amount for you charge you be ada for any reaction on this channel since Margaret React started because you free him what you say we started from nothing and I build the one kakra fe your level 1 to get to level 100 no adding from the level 0 to level 1 now emphasis say we no to get there no so adding kakra intini muzo be basu na se na adna oye ni hia na say at least to hear a little bit of push, that's a meeting within that time frame now. I will do my best to push that person. And now, I'm out for the brain. I will say, yes, send you a message. I want to ask me, but the other hill. Mammy won't lock me screen answer. Criminals also. Shadi, I don't know say if you can see it. Right now, no Nipa messages says I reply just on one phone, one WhatsApp phone. 4,000 plus. I don't know if it will be who 4,000 plus. What you say? And it's very difficult to get through all of this. And sana waba one kasa or personal phone so messages are be received. Aside that no, you need to then bus phone number and so dey and also be back. And you other Maghreb number you there for sponsorships and you be per se promoting a year. And then you make it come be. And one thing. And I hear anything about personal. That is just for WhatsApp. And sana work Instagram on be chat to or more be send you me DMs sanom kano. Or more be send you direct message with Instagram. We are not on China or Facebook page. What you say? More be send you post daily content. Until you imagine comments are also read just a whole lot of things. And at this entire time, and yes, me with team viewer baby. I will go actually why me use one for any other thing. No, I do this thing solo. What you say? Internet day so I have to do all these things. 99 bars editing can take it over a day. Anytime I make us a meet me for my channel because then you make a club. Me so make a chele. Aden. So I think the club will be point me baby do fi na my brand madam so and I can edit it entire can say within the time frame next meet me post for 6 o'clock 7 o'clock Italian time. So I quite know be about trying to publish new post within this week, yeah, I did 2020 years now was an addiction. So we will try our best. And I think we hear no few why. Nienti amount for being beside the entire many advertisement in my mouth for being. And yes, I mean, just a drew by being a me. But problem with Ghanaians and I say more contacted for sponsorship and say I'm test sponsorship and promotion I say. Me contact me minim so we niska because if you can see everything I'm here on channel no practically free for everyone. Well, because I want to build the platform for everyone to enjoy. Well, we never patch it. But we been on back also promote to product. Me minim say me nya dene for who si kantino. O ba na maka tro say bia 100 euros. O chale o ma me 60. Na am say no 100. O chale o de we say botom nye. Sa business na me pay. Me nya time no won back and forth because eduma me any day no doso. This am catch us 100 euros. Na say we need 100 euros. I won't contact you back. O chat me kra me reply. Because I make 4,000 on just one single phone. I think 3 or 4 so it's very tedious akasa. I tell you you can't really build a team in Italy. Because Italy is a Ghana. So Ghana there it's easy to get a team and work with. But I tell you akasa because easy. So I think that is pretty much it. Yeah, I think we've really So I think I will say that is everything we have to say about in this video Ankasa for getting into the next year no. Say ba content wise mo munim say ya ebi you be say we be pa and next year we will try and as much as possible say new flavor, new stuff. Daily wahala kura be get a little bit of twist here. I think it will be fun. What I say. So that is it for this video, Ankasa. And what else? Now it's over. I was here. Magraheb, we thank you for letting us entertain you in this year. What I say? Hopefully next year and the years beyond. Yeah, there will be I'll share your videos, or share your videos, or comment on your videos, or like your videos, or do your telling your we thank each and everyone. And we hope to see you. So when you subscribe to your channel and also because next year a new type of content it will be amazing Ankasa for Zima. Oh, Zima 40. I'm just going to be a Zima for some. What done if I'm damn Jinamachi? There you another video near I was here. No. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and click Wadoman so. New video be a buy now. Now is Aka. Hey. Sound new video be a buy now is Aka. Till we meet again, Abusian. Adios and a Merry Christmas. Just all the water the Oompa Loompa na bahawo.
Since I'm saying me akanaka so ma shata na me just asta na me be ye no. Na kama bom.
So ni se me nya ende nti which me say na we ni nya be se bom.
There be so bad it.
There be we nya de tenete ma twa ma na too late ansa na me twa video no. O bibi ka kire ma gra fans na.
Woni mitri hu no.
Yeah, na de witiri hu aye den. I think I'm more complicated. Who names me twa video? Who person am I ka kire me say witiri hu no. She I was young. On can't intimate Catanana.
Mammy was a son.
Men try my own was a sound. Not just a own quiet. I was young. Bye bye. Adios.
Oh,
I was young. Get Nancy, I said, just was young. I was out at the Abba. You okay?
Menkari.
Ah. Nana also be me nanim no be kana na also be no
eni ebusua ye da mo ase wai afi be ko afi
kanenzima abusia onim no be kana wonzima as you waste time
amezi ma ye da wa be da mo ase ke be mu a be support ye be le video no be subscribe ye da mo ase pa na evolo mo ya bia hunu ala Isabel subscribe don na ben le video ne zuka na rela don
yeah mete don bi me kwatu
we be say like obo hwe video ni bebre na se yesika sem no enko soro
iska ya
se dem omo hwe yesika no
na wesa Abusia bye bye.